Hey y'all, I'm back. It's Life with Court. I know I haven't vlogged in a while, but I gotta get used to this. I'm new to YouTube. But today, you know, it's Sunday. Happy Sunday, everybody. Sunday fun day. So today we decided to vlog while bike riding at the beach, y'all. So the weather was kind of shiny about an hour and a half ago, but y'all know Florida weather. It changed by the minute. So now it look gloomy, but it still feel good. So I got Son back there with his bike, Pro right here. We headed, I'm sorry, Pro. But we headed out here now. Gonna rent these bikes about an hour, then grab something to eat, vlog, you know, give y'all some content. I miss y'all. I'ma do better. But yep, gonna get this midday adventure started. I'll catch y'all on the flip side. Don't vlog and drive. Don't text and drive. I just had to stop for 2 minutes and get y'all. Bye. Okay, y'all, we have arrived to the beach. About to find parking and wait on these people to meet us for the bikes. See, those type of bikes to rent, beach cruisers.
Oh yeah, they look nice.
Yeah, I thought that is a beach cruiser. No, I think that's a regular bike. But yeah, we down here at the beach, y'all. So I have my co-sponsor recording. Sorry, I got my brother recording. So he's just getting a glimpse of stuff while I find parking. But yeah, this is our beach life. No, we gotta meet them by the pier, he said. So see,
yeah,
I want me a yellow one. See, you get the blue.
The blue.
And Corell got his green bike. I want to do we have to wear helmets. They ain't have on no helmet. Corell said, I hope I don't. Yep, y'all. So it's a little bit of work going on down here too. So it don't look as nice as it used to look. They tore down a bunch of stuff about the build. Oh, that used to be my club right there. The pier. Yeah, that used to be my club, but not there anymore.
Are they rebuilding the pier?
Yeah. See, I'm glad you brought your jacket, because see people around here holding their arms like they breathing.
Yeah.
You get everybody. You gotta look. Yeah. Oh, I want to rent one of them too. I wonder how much that is. She better get out the street, honey. Pedestrians are not supposed to be in the middle of the damn driveway. Okay. Dang, the parking lot so packed. Oh, excuse my language, y'all. But yeah, oh, we might have to get some graffiti burger after this.
Ooh.
Sounds so good, don't it? Can make our own burger. Look, I'm talking about food. Why I'm supposed to be out here working out, exercising, and getting this nice breeze. But y'all see what I'm talking about? How it looked gloomy, and it was just sunny.
It's so Florida weather. It's bipolar.
Yeah, I got this bipolar weather. Well, yeah, we'll catch up with y'all in about 10 minutes. Dang, you got that parking spot. All right, bye. All right, y'all. We picking up our bikes. Y'all ever in Jacksonville, Florida, come down to Jack's Beach. Rent with Beach Life Rentals. See if I can get closer. They come to you. Free delivery. Yes. We zoom out. Okay, that's them. Yep. About to get started, so we will catch y'all in a few minutes once we get my son back out. But yeah, got our bikes.
No worries.
See ya.
These aren't meant to be perfect.
That's Ping Pong. Say hey to my vlog, Ping Pong.
Hey, what's going on, guys?
Hey, how you doing? Okay, so I'll get started. Very convenient, and they come to you, y'all. So hit them up. Hit them up, y'all. Very reasonable price. They work with you too if it rains. Because we out here, you see the sky. The sun was literally up, y'all. Now it looks gloomy, but it still feels good. So we're gonna enjoy what we can. All right. See y'all. I said that before, but see y'all. I'll be back. All right, y'all. We finna vlog. Say hey y'all. We on our bikes. We ready? All right. Oh shoot. I don't know if I can vlog and drive. Where we go? That way? Wanna go that way? You come on. Thank you. All right. I ain't rode a bike in so long. Oh my gosh. Oh shoot. Come on. Oh shoot. Come on y'all. Follow me. Follow me. Y'all. I ain't rode no bike in so long, y'all. Oh my God, look. It feel good though. Woo! It's hard trying to record. I'm trying to get y'all. I got my little selfie stick. Oh Lord. Can we even walk? Oh, I thought we couldn't walk through this way. They got it closed. Okay, let's turn around. Go around on that street. Bro, you stay in the middle of us. Look, he already. I'm not.
I just feel like it's like I haven't rode a bike, so I have to get used.
Look, y'all, I got my little green bike with my little basket.
And I got my little blue bike. Hey.
For real? He got his bike from home. Hey, it about time you another bigger bike. But he said he good. He ain't went with his helmet, y'all. But yeah, we out here. But this part closed off, so we got to find us another way. So we got to get comfortable. When I get comfortable on it, y'all, I'm going to come right back. Because I ain't rode a bike in so long. I feel like I got 2 left feet. Okay, be back. Ready? Let's go. Corel, stay in the middle of us. Yeah, I feel comfortable now.
Audio.
We're going up in here, y'all, so y'all remember going back is how you brake, Corel. Okay. Because we're going down the hill. We got to go through here. Is it a sidewalk? Oh, yeah, it's sidewalk. Come on. Come on, yeah. Y'all pay attention to the time too, because we got it to 4. Come on, turn this way. Turn around. Come on. Okay, pause right here. Y'all want to get a picture right here. Pause.
Pause it?
Yeah, right here. Because I wanted to get a... Oh, I done pressed. Okay, y'all, we got to stop real quick. Say what's up, Corel. Okay, so we stop right here to the sign. Yeah, got about 5 steps away from where we just was. But everybody out here feel good, y'all. Yeah, they on their bike too. Okay, so I don't know if I can do this and and ride. So we're gonna go down a little bit further and I'll come back. Maybe when we stop to eat, I'll come back because this is too much. But yeah, we having a ball.
Yeah. And it feels so good.
It does. It feels good. I thought it was going to be cold. All right. Say bye, Corel. Bye. Get back in the street, like right there. Not in the street, but on that thing. I'm recording y'all. Because the car coming. Go around and then get on the sidewalk because the car coming. Stop and then. Woo! Go, Corel, go back. Okay, now get back. Okay, now we can go back after this car. Go.
Okay. Keep going?
Yeah, not on the sidewalk, right here. What? Over here. Because it says.
Oh, you want to drive over?
Yeah, come on. Woo!
Careful, yeah, it's like
Wait, shoot. Okay, hold up. Y'all go. Ooh, y'all. It's fun, but god damn, I don't remember how to ride a bike. Me either.
It's like kind of big, it's up a little bit.
Yeah. I just gotta remember how to brake. Okay, watch the people and then turn right. Turn right. Put your blinkers on. Ain't no blinkers. Oh yes.
That's a free rolling tire thing. You just do it. It's like a.
Come on. Ah, he beat me. Wait. Wait. Look, he's going. Brandon too. Oh snap. Y'all better not run into the pole. Slow down. Y'all ain't gonna know how to brake. There's people up there. Stop. Slow down. Look at me trying to be the mama that's yelling. Y'all, I cannot. Ooh. Ooh. No vlogging and driving on bikes either. Shit. But it feels nice. Y'all come all the way up here to the right. To the right. Ooh. Oh, they're so cute. Hey, how you doing? Okay, we're gonna have to get off, y'all. Ooh, yeah. Now we by the rescue place. Slow down. We get a ticket. Alright, I gotta stop. Oh shoot. Y'all, we bike riding at the beach. Ooh. I can get used to this. Fun time. Sunday fun day. It feels so good outside too, y'all. No rain. Even though it said it was gonna rain. Yay! Got all this junk in my basket, but I'm riding. Yes, yes. Y'all check my YouTube out. I'm vlogging today, so check it out. Bye.
It's so good.
It do feel good. Look, you guys, say hey. Say hey. Almost halfway through our bike ride. Got our bikes. Peace. So we finished riding bikes.
Yes, sir.
Now we walking to Graffiti Burger on Jacksonville Beach. I don't know if y'all ever had Graffiti Burger, but we about to test some burgers up. Yep, come on, let's go this way. Mushrooms all on my burger, y'all. Terrell got him a regular cheeseburger. Brandon got him. Y'all, this food is so good. Or either we just hungry. Ooh, I got one with mushrooms and provolone cheese and all that. Look at that. Mukbang. They fry so well.
Yes, sir. It's hitting.
Sun is out.
Yep. My eyes look good. I like when my eyes is inside the sun. You see the real true colors.
When I eat, I'm happy. Ooh, my burger done fell apart. Oh, let's get that back right. Another bite. What's so funny?
Ooh, my burger done fell apart.
Y'all, we are done riding bikes. Oh Lord, now we finna walk the beach for a minute. Oh, we could have rode on the beach, y'all. The sand not that look. Yeah, the sand is not that high up. I mean, not that, what is it called? It's more flat now and not harder to ride with. This all new. This is not here. This was not here when we came. They must have just built this for like handicaps.
Hey vlog, what's up y'all? What's goody? What's goody to shoot?
Yep. Yeah, they just built this because this was not here. But yep, that's it, y'all. We're gonna close out the vlog, leaving, but y'all keep watching.